Hey guys and welcome. I am here today with my little friend Onix. He's a little micro chihuahua with the little ear wispies. He is technically my new boyfriend for the time being until my real boyfriend finds out that I said that. Today we are doing a unboxing and reveal of the Fresh Prince store. So I guess I told you in one of my previous videos, I am obsessed with the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air and Will Smith. The combination of the two is like, it's my heart and my everything. So I did only order 2 different things from here. Now I've also ordered from the Bel-Air Academy in the past before I started this YouTube channel. So I will do a follow-up with some of the Bel-Air Academy clothing. Now, first of all, like the box, it's purple, so fun, and it says the Fresh Prince on the sides, which I love. And actually I put little Onix in the box the other day just to do a little picture with it, so I will post that picture somewhere in here or somewhere at the end because I'm just learning how to do this kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I haven't tried on any of the stuff and I only ordered 2 things this time as they are kind of expensive. Now to start off with, I do have to say that it took about 3 months for the stuff to get here. So what I did get is a bucket hat, and I got a long sleeve tie-dye shirt. Now I don't know why I decided to do the bucket hat because nobody looks good in a bucket hat, but we're about to find out how I look in a bucket hat. But we will start by, I'll show you guys the items. And the box comes with this super cool Fresh Prince of Bel-Air paper. I am definitely saving that because whenever I give myself a gift from now on, I'm going to use this as the tissue paper in it. I wonder if there's something that you can even buy online that's the Fresh Prince tissue paper. And then the other thing that I got was this long sleeve shirt. My intent was to cut it and to crop it so you guys can see it. Yes, it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And it comes with a card. Thank you for your order at the Fresh Prince store. Please check out the new styles. Now, when I first found out about the Fresh Prince store, they said it was a limited time thing. So they definitely tricked me there, but I was going to buy stuff regardless from them. But I think I made very impulse buys with the bucket hat. But look how fun the bucket hat is, guys. Okay, so we'll get started by trying on the long sleeve shirt and seeing how that looks. Now, I got a size small, which I typically don't do. I typically get sizes larger. That way it's like not tight. The sleeves are extra long. So the quality of the shirt, I already have to say, like it's sticky, like as if they had just dyed it or something and haven't washed it. Like the sleeves are really rough. Like so far, not that impressed with the quality and the material, but I would still buy it again because it's got the Fresh Prince. So I wish I could return this for a larger size, but still, overall, you know I'm gonna keep it. Yep, I'm gonna keep it, but I wish I had gotten a larger size. So guys, size up if you do decide to purchase through there. But here's the back. And yes, I am wearing shorts underneath. Alrighty, so I'll go ahead and leave that guy on. And for the next item, we'll take down the hair, and it's bucket hat time. Guys, I'm nervous for this because I don't look good in hats to begin with, but bucket hats, it's like a whole new level of ugly. Oh my God. I look so bad in this hat. I don't understand. Do you flip it up like that? No, that looks worse. Oh my God. Why can't I wear bucket hats? Maybe if I lift it off the head a little bit more, tilt it. I feel like Will would probably wear it like to the side. He would probably wear it to the side. I don't know. Guys, that's gonna take some work to figure out because like it looks so bad on me, but you know I'm not gonna wear it. Like I'm not gonna wear it, sorry. I'm totally gonna wear this, I don't care. Onix, any comments? Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. He loves the Fresh Prince as well. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the video, click the like button, the subscribe button, and the notifications button. I will follow this video up on a later day with the Bel Air Academy stuff. Now I do have much more Bel Air Academy stuff, including the car air fresheners. They come with these, I forget what those like backpack things are. But yeah, so those like wire backpacks, I got some of those. I got some other long sleeve shirts that I actually love. The quality, the material, everything was a lot better than this. Like you can tell this is more like print on demand stuff, and it came from a company called Loot Crate, which, like I said, it took so long to get. But again, guys, watch my videos. I do several hauls on different things, and I am actually starting a series for people with chronic hives, as that is something I suffer with. So if that is you, then go ahead and follow me, because I am doing a day-by-day reveal of how my hives are getting based on my diet. So this week I'm doing a low sugar diet to see if that has an effect on my hives. Next week will be sulfites, hoping that next week I won't have to do the sulfites, just because I'm hoping that the sugar works. But we will see. So thank you guys so much for watching.